and welcome to Antipuluan, Nara, Palawan.
Welcome to Barangay Antipuluan, a peaceful and growing community here in Nara, Palawan. This place is full of opportunities, with businesses and livelihoods that support many families. From farming to tourism, Antipuluan continues to develop while keeping its natural beauty. Aside from farming, small businesses are also growing in Antipuluan. One of these is Grove Cafe, a cozy and peaceful place where people can enjoy a good cup of coffee. Surrounded by nature, this cafe is perfect for relaxing, chatting with friends, or simply enjoying a quiet moment. Tourism is also helping Antipuluan grow. The barangay is home to beautiful resorts where visitors can relax and enjoy nature. If you're looking for a peaceful place to stay, Balay Emma is a great choice. It has a simple and homey feel, perfect for those who want to rest and escape from their busy lives. With its relaxing atmosphere, this resort is ideal for a quiet and comfortable stay. For those who love the beach, Milagros Sand Bay Resort is the perfect place to visit. It has a beautiful shoreline where visitors can enjoy swimming, walking on the sand, or watching the sunset. The fresh sea breeze and calm waves make it a great place to relax and enjoy nature. These resorts not only bring visitors to Antipuluan but also create jobs for locals, helping the community grow. One of the main sources of income in Antipuluan is coconut farming. The large nyogan or coconut plantations provide jobs to many locals. Farmers work hard to produce copra and other coconut products, while are sold in different places. This industry has helped many families earn a living for generations.
어느 날 그대와 함께한 시간들 햇살 속에 반짝이는 그대의 미소 눈을 감아도 또